What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. In today's video we are going to show you part one of the zipline build. As you can see, they're already in the back there. They've already started.
Yep.
It's going to be exciting. So part one of the build, and what are we building first?
We're building the platform.
Building the platform.
Oh, alright, pull it.
This is going to be exciting.
Yep.
So we're going to take you along with us today while we're doing the build.
Right there.
This is just another way that we homeschool the boys. We teach them all kinds of things around here. So they're going to build a platform, do some measurements, squaring up some stuff, learning about all that.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go see what they're doing.
What's you?
Square right there.
This?
Yep. So you gotta hold it like this.
Uh-huh.
Got it.
Yeah.
So you gotta touch this string. You gotta just touch the string. Okay?
Okay.
And then the string that's coming past it has to be just touching it on that side.
Okay.
Okay? So it's not easy to do, but you can't do this. You can't see how it's moving it?
Yeah.
You can keep it like an equal distance away, like that. See how I'm using my fingers on the ground to kind of support it? Okay. And then this string, and get it tied on.
They are now getting the second measurement for the platform, and they're going to be 188 feet apart. Isn't that correct, Dylan?
Yep.
Yep.
I guess Dylan.
Wow.
Spider monkey.
Get that on. Get Ralph on.
Run, Ralphie, run!
Doing his job.
Ralphie's doing his job. No protection. He's barking. That tree looks like perfect to climb.
You gonna do it?
Okay, get up there.
Jump like your brother did.
Yeah, like I can get up there. I don't think I can do that high.
Don't worry about mine, you just worry about yours, okay?
Alright guys, so we're about to drill the holes, and we rented this post hole digger, so we're going to put this on it.
This makes it a lot easier.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
Now when are you going? Alright.
Get it down position where we want it, and then we'll get the auger on the ground, and then we have to level the auger. So we don't want to drill a crooked hole. We want it going straight up and down. So that 4-foot level, that blue 4-foot level, grab it so it doesn't, no, grab that right there, here. So it doesn't get to rolling too fast.
We got the first 4 holes dug. That went pretty smooth.
Yep.
Especially being on a hill with all the trees around, trying to maneuver around here. Wasn't too bad.
No.
You think it went pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all that really matters. Here. There. And at the same time, it's just got to barely be touching this string.
All right, a little manual labor going on now. Since we were trying to dig the holes kind of on a hill there, and hitting a lot of roots, we kind of got off a little bit, so we're just fixing it up.
Is it dead or is it alive? Where'd it go?
These concrete bags, they were sitting there for a while, so they're hard, but we'll crush them up.
Is it heavy?
They're 60 pounds, so a little bit. How many do you need?
Just one right now.
Okay.
Take my knife and just like slice the end of the bag open.
That has a hole in it, so.
Trying to clean the side of this out just a little more. Be careful. Touching this string and barely touching this string, and at the same time, it needs to be level here and level here. I just want you to look at it. I've already done it.
I just squished concrete with my finger.
See? See how it is? When you turn it on, just a little bit, okay? And do it all around it. Go ahead. Just real light. Okay, turn it off. Yeah, real light.
Not as fast as it goes.
There's a bunch in there, so hang on.
A little bit.
Yep. All around it. Okay.
Are we gonna have to probably get some more?
Finished up the poles, we got them all concreted in the ground, and after that we got to put the platform on, and then build the cable all the way down to the other platform.
Thanks for watching.
And remember to like and subscribe to our videos. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah.
Practicing jiu-jitsu.
Molly's gonna help you.